and welcome back to another interesting video on how we can make some very cool picture edits right here in PowerPoint without going to any professional photographer or any professional photo editing tool. So let's see some of these pictures. Haven't you seen this in a lot of places? How cool this looks. The background is blurred and someone is clicking a picture and the phone is showing the clear picture. This has been entirely made in PowerPoint. Isn't this cool? A lady sitting on a cup, a girl sitting on the palm of another lady who looks like a giant, and a dream picture of all the wedding couples standing in a beautiful location in their wedding dress. A person standing out in the crowd. So the girl and the man are standing out in color while everything else is black and white. So let's see how we have done each of these. So let's dissect the first picture. So I'll just show you how many layers are there in this picture. This is the first layer. This is the second layer. And this is the last and the first layer. So I had this picture. So what I have done is I have blurred this. Double click on the picture. You go to corrections and you can see that there is an option of sharpen or soften. So I have taken the option of softening it slightly. This is set at 25% currently. Then after that, I took this picture from a free images site where the phone is actually blank, and I placed this over here so that the phone is right, looking like it's clicking the couple. And now we don't want a blurred picture showing in the phone. We want a clear, very clear picture. So what I've done is I have copied this picture again and I have cropped it and placed it here. I've cropped it to the size of the phone screen. So, and then I've removed all the blurring effects. Isn't this so easy? And how cool this looks. What a great photo effect. Let's see this in large. Wow, it looks wonderful. The next one. A girl relaxing on a coffee cup. So this is the easiest. I have just taken this image of a cup from again a free images site. This picture could be yours. What I have done is I have taken this image. Just take an image of yourself sitting in this way, or maybe hanging your legs down, sitting on a table and hanging your legs down, and then clicking your picture. And then we go to remove background, my favorite tool. Click on the picture and remove the background. Again, you can see a detailed video on how to remove the background in my videos. I will put a link up to that video as well. So you will have your picture and you can be sitting on the cup with your legs hanging down, or your legs could be inside, also inside the coffee. So it will create a really nice effect. The third picture, a person showing his palm. So first click your picture with your palm, empty palm, and look at your palm. Give a nice expression. And then click somebody else, maybe somebody from your family or anybody you want, and sitting down. Again, legs could be hanging down or cross-legged, and then remove the background for that person. For this person, you will have to remove the background from that image. I've done it over here. I've removed the background. You can see there were a lot of other things. The girl is actually sitting on stairs and the legs are hanging down. So I've removed everything else, and then I have reduced the size of the image, obviously, And then she looks like she's sitting on the palm of this lady, and the lady is looking at her. So, could you have guessed that this could be so simple? I'm sure no. This is our fourth picture. Again, I've just taken a beautiful background from the free images site. You will find tons of these beautiful backgrounds, and you can click a picture of yourself or your kids or as a couple, um, and just anywhere. Preferably try to click it against a plain wall so that removing the background becomes much easier. So the way her veil is flying, you can create these effects too by just using a table fan, and then remove the background. The background over here again has been removed. I'll show you the picture. See, they were standing on a road, and now you can see they're standing on this beautiful beach. And then I've added a shadow. We can see the sun is coming from the front, so I have the shadow you can see behind them. Just double click the picture, and there are these picture effects. Over here you can see the shadow. So I've taken the perspective that the shadow is falling behind them. So this is actually looking like they've gone to this wonderful place and done this photo shoot. Our last picture is a person standing out from the crowd. Now there could be a better picture than this. I could not find one, but if you go in a crowd and you are actually looking into the camera and getting yourself clicked, it'll look really nice. So here we have actually two layers. So this is one picture and this is the background picture. Again, a very easy way to do it. So firstly, I have taken this entire picture was in color. So I have double clicked on this, and then let's go to color, and I have chosen the color tone to black and white, and hence we got this black and white picture. Then I made a copy of the same picture and I removed the background for this picture so that only the man and the girl are visible. And then I changed it to color. The only thing you have to keep in mind that when you paste it on top of this picture, it has to be right on top of the earlier image, which also happens automatically. I'll just show it to you. I'll just copy this picture here. This is black and white. I make another copy of this, and then I remove the background. So we'll mark areas to remove. So currently it is showing this lady, but we know what we need to show. So if we suppose let her be the one we want to highlight. So I'll again go to color and I'll select recolor. So this lady you can see now becomes the highlighted lady over here. So it is right on top of that picture, the older picture. So we cannot make out that there are actually two pictures over here. So this is a very, very good effect, and all of these 5 effects were very easy. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making these pictures. So do subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like these. And let me know in the comment section how did you like this video and did you try these effects for your own self. Thank you. Bye bye.